Hi Shatakshi, how are you doing? So talking about myself, I come from Hyderabad in India, and I did my undergrad in economics at SRCC. And that was when I had encountered GGI. It was in my second year of college, and I was doing a little bit of field work in development sector, and I wanted to really pursue it as a career. But I was wondering, how do you actually formalize it? And when I did the GGI policy consulting workshop, was when I really learned about all the skill sets required and how we can make a career in this development space. So I think it kind of set my foundation in this career. And post that, I have been working in the development sector for the past 4 years. I worked with UNDP India, I worked with Dhani in Gurgaon, and then I worked with the non-profit Dr. Reddy's Foundation for the last 2 years. And I thought that now, after 4 years of being working in the development space, it's time to kind of upskill and put myself, go back to school, go back to my roots. So I started applying for my master's programs, and now I'm currently at UC Berkeley, pursuing my master's in development practice at their Goldman School of Public Policy. I'm looking at exploring intersections of development and education. That's an area that I'm really passionate about. So I think when I talk about three takeaways from GGI, number one would be for me when I did the fellowship back in 2020 would be in terms of master classes, because I think that's where I really explored different topics, and just the way the settings were done, like we were doing cases, we were doing breakout rooms, so to be really uncomfortable and to learn different subjects. So I think that was a huge takeaway for me, to be open to interdisciplinary learning. Second, I think something that I really learned here was the power of networking and building relations. It could be the small tips in the way you used to tell us to reach out. And when I worked also with GGI, on the policy committee team in the Office of Career Services, that's when I really explored that, and I learned the power of relationship building, and not like in this world of like transactional networking, actually building quality authentic relationships. That's been my strength today, to build good relationships and partnerships. And third could be just the kind of community that I built here, like all the friends, the alumni that I have, to get have mentors in the form of you. So that experience has been so holistic, and I also feel I can always go back and reach out to you, to have that sense of community, not just in India, but also globally, because GGI has grown so much. So that is something that has been really helpful. So I think firstly, to all the fellows, congratulations, you've entered the program. So, you've been selected, and there is some potential in you if you have been selected in the GGI program. And I think I would say there is so much to do in the program. You have to prioritize and find your space. Number one is in terms of like master classes, make the most of them, speak up, ask questions, no question is a silly question. So to, put yourself out there, talk to people. So I think that is something that you should do in terms of like master classes. Secondly, you'll be added on so many like groups and communities. So have chats. We used to set up a lot of our own chats between ourselves. So get into that. And then all the extra services that are available to you, you'll get tools to do, in terms of consulting, all the tools that will be available. The career services team keeps sending such good opportunities. So there's a plethora. You have to find your space, and everything will be okay. Like, as someone who did it 5 years ago and was clueless and wouldn't know, like, if my younger version would see myself today, I would be really proud of the journey that I've come, and it will work out for you also. You're part of a great community, and make the most of it.